Hey loves, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own fried chicken. So first we're going to go in with some oil, put it on a pan. I will be changing that a little bit later though to a bigger pan. Now going in with some flour, I'm just going to pour the amount that I think I'm going to need. I don't really do measurements that much, so I just poured it. Now I'm going to go in with this seasoning right here. It is so freaking good. So I'm just going to pour it just enough to like cover the flour. And then we're going to go in with this. If you don't like anything that has like any like spice to it, like hotness, skip this seasoning. Now going in with another seasoning that has another kick to it as well. I'm going to pour that in. They're going to go in with some lemon pepper, add that in there. Oh, you guys, this combination is so freaking good. Then we're just going to mix it all up, okay? So I'm going to go in with a spoon. I'm going to make sure that I get all of it mixed in. We don't want any chunks of like this seasoning over here, this seasoning over there. You want it all one color. So just make sure you go in there. Don't be lazy with it and get all of that mixed in, okay? So you want to make sure that you mix it. Take your time with it. You see, you think I mixed it well, but then when I move it around a little bit more, you can still see some of like the red seasonings in there. We want it all one color. Now, this is the secret ingredient. We're going to go in with this cornflakes, okay? Don't get the great cereal, get this cornflake. Now we're going to go in with 3 eggs. I'm just going to crack them in my silver bowl. You can go in with more eggs depending on how much chicken you're going to make, but this right here is enough. So 3 eggs, and then I'm going to go in with 1/3 of 2% milk. I ended up doing another cup of that, another 1/3, and yeah, so then you're gonna go in with your fork, whisk it up. I added more because I needed it to be a little bit more of a light yellow, so that's why I did that. So now we have all our ingredients laid out, and you guys know I like it to be like right in the order, okay? So first we're gonna go in with the flour. We're going to make sure that the chicken is coated. Oh, again, sorry. I cut the chicken into like strips, okay? Not like a full breast. I cut the breast in half and then I cut it again and I made them into chicken strips. So we dunk it in the egg and then we're going to mix it in the cornflakes, okay? And you want to make sure that it gets coated, okay? Go in with your fingers, pat it down a little bit. Make sure that it's coated really good. Then you're just going to add them in the pot and then they start cooking, okay? And make sure these are cooked all the way through, okay? So just check on that, all that good stuff. So I'm going to show you again. We're going to coat the chicken in the flour. I went in with a couple more strips and yeah, so while that's cooking, the other chicken strips, I'm just going to just get ahead of the game and get the other ones coated. You don't want to do it like, oh, that one's done, then you're going to start doing it. No, you want these prepared so you can just get it done, and get out of the kitchen. So I'm just going to coat the chicken with the cornflakes, work it in there, squeeze it, make sure that it's all in there because you don't want a dry chicken that just has flour and egg. You want that crispity crunch, and that's what this cereal does. It gives you that crunch. I've already tried the breadcrumbs, all that stuff, but that to me, it doesn't give it the crispiness, okay? Try it this way and you'll love it. So I decided, okay, Jade, we need a bigger pan. So I went in with a big pot, added a lot of oil. I don't know why I didn't do it this way the first time. I don't know what I thought. But yeah, so I just filled that up and we're gonna wait until that gets hot. Then I needed more cereal, so I'm gonna go in and crunch the cereal. Don't just pour the cereal and think that's all you need to do. No, you need to go in there and make this into little pieces. Don't do too much where it goes to powder though. So now the oil is hot enough, so I'm gonna start dunking these chicken strips in there, okay? Just gonna beep, 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 and then another one. Oh, you guys, is so good. Every time I make this, the kids are on their best behavior because they just want it to go nice and good. They don't want to stress mom out or anything like that, so they literally are on their best behavior because they love this chicken. It is so freaking good, you guys. So what I do, I just move it around, make sure that like it's all cooking. And doing it in the pot, definitely I could cook more than I did on the other one. The other pan, I could only do 3. In this big pot, I could do so much more. So yeah, I know maybe we should get a fryer, but that's for another day. I'm working with what I got. So I'm just going to add the chicken strips on the other pan and get it cooking. This is honestly the best ever, you guys. It's so freaking good. Look how amazing it came out. Definitely recommend it. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to share more with you guys. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.